So, hello everyone. Uh, uh, like what to say, but I don't know. But today is 21st of August 2026, and tomorrow is my birthday. I am recording this video because I want to tell something to myself that now tomorrow I'm going to be 23, and I am and I don't know what I am uh, doing, but yeah, I wanna say I'm happy to be in this position, doing my masters from Delhi University, and I'm in my second year of my masters, and my college, like university, is taking classes regularly, and along with that I'm preparing for BPSC exam, which will be on 25th of October 2026, and I am preparing for that exam for around 4 to 5 months, yeah, for 4 months. So I am doing this kind of thing in my 20s, and I know I did some time very not like very bad thing, like wasting time on Instagram, watching very time wasting videos, or something like that. And I sometimes feel not to study, and sometimes I also very motivated and very oriented towards my study and did my study well. But that's another thing. There is always ups and down in everything, like in studying, in doing some kind of thing. Every thing takes this kind of situation. So I am I learned a few things that is I wanna share. That first of all thing is very important, very significant for everyone. That is, believe in yourself. Yeah, believe in yourself. Please don't listen to other people's opinion, other people's views. If you feel to do something, if you feel to do or decide something, and after listening other people's view or opinion, and you drop that thing, it's not, please don't do that. Please don't do that. Always believe in yourself and your gut feeling. So this is what I learned, and yesterday this is this point finally like explain and my decision thing. And yesterday I finally realized this feeling. So this is what I want to say. Another thing is I am that kind of person who want a new environment, not adapted to like in a comfort of with same people, within same environment. No, I feel I am like that kind of person who want to interact with different people. Yeah, don't want to stuck with same people for long time. I want to meet new people, and I feel some kind of a stuck or feeling grabbed by a particular thing or particular person. So that's I really don't want. I really want change in my life with everything, like with people, with my study thing. Like I feel change, really I feel change. And this is the thing is I have learned from my like till now study, that change is only thing to survive and to succeed in your life. So I always prefer change of environment rather than being on that comfort zone. So this is what I learned. And That's it. And another thing I want to tell that, yeah, I have uh, completed my 22 year uh, with a very good, like, believing in myself. And yeah, I have support from my families, my brother, my parents. So that's also an important role in my life. And without them, I'm nothing. Yeah, I'm nothing. So I really thank to my parents, my brother especially, who supported me in every stage where I took any decision and ask anything, like what should I do. They give me opinion, and at the end my brother said, what's your opinion on particular decision. So this is the thing I really like, and I really appreciate for my brother, my parents, for that, in believing in me. So that's the important thing I wanna say, like, really, I really thankful to them. And another thing I wanna say that I want, for my future thing, I really want to clear this state PCS exam in coming days. So I don't make my parents feel burden, like I'm burden on them. Like, yeah, I know parents don't feel that, but at the end, I don't want, like, them to be tense. I want them to be free, and they were seeing me as a financially independent and strong, taking my own decision. So this is what I want to uh, do in my life. And not the, like, for very uh, like means I want as soon as possible, because as I am 22, like, I'm going to be 23. And within 1 or 2 year, I am gonna be in a different responsibility. So I want to be financially independent as soon as possible, so that I can do the things which I like to, like helping small kids, like or teaching to small children in school, something like that, which is a kind of social work. So that's I wanna really do. And have also dream of doing something which only I'm able to do. So my dreams were only fulfilled when I got financially independent. So this is very significant thing for me, to be financially independent as soon as possible. Even I want that after this end of my masters in next year, I really want that I become financially independent in the next year. And I gift some of the thing to my mother, to my father, and as well my brother, and our other person who helped me in this journey till now. So, and I also thanks to two or three friends who always supported me. So that's it I wanna say. And yeah, that's a really good thing happened to me. And thanks to yeah, one of the important things I forgot, I've not forgot, like, I especially mentioned the God who always supported me, who always with me, and always understand me, what I want, what I do. And he always God always helped me, and He is always with me. I really believe in that. He is always with me, helped me in every stage of my life, and thanks to them. And that's it for today. And